Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra packs so much features that one may need it. As pre-order for the Galaxy S21 Ultra are delivered to most of the people, weirdly no one has noticed that the Galaxy S21 Ultra has two screen protector applied to the top of Gorilla Glass Victus, which I think is an overkill, and also this is something that we haven't heard before in the mobile world. Also, Jerry the Rig conducted a durability test for Galaxy S21 Ultra and it showcased that the scratches are present at the level 6 and deeper grooves at the level 7. The sides are made up of aluminum including the buttons. Screen took 45 minutes in a direct lighter fire and unfortunately it did not recover from there. As we know that the Galaxy S21 Ultra is coming with a larger area in terms of fingerprint sensor, and when applied with the scratches it was even working after that. And lastly, about the survival of the bend test is absolutely amazing from Samsung because the frame is made up of aluminium and it was very durable. And the bend test has performed and give us a detail that it is going to be an absolutely amazing device in terms of durability. Another thing which is very interesting that Samsung display officially revealed on their account and gives us a detail that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will have a lower powered OLED display that is going to be 16% more energy efficient than the last year OLED panel. And this is going to be amazing considering the fact that power hungry component of the smartphone is the display, and Samsung has took it upon itself to improve the OLED formula. As we already know that the 5G is coming inside the device, larger display will cause much of a battery drain, so this will really help Samsung to boost the battery performance of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Also, Samsung is expected to ship the Galaxy S21 total shipment to match the Galaxy S20, which means Samsung is targeting 26 million units for the Galaxy S21 series and 10 million for the Galaxy S21, 8 million to S21 Plus and 8 million for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Industrial Insider revealed that the component orders have already been sent to factories, although there's always been the possibility of adjustment of the quantities down in the road because Samsung has themselves have the capability to upscale their production. So guys, that is the latest news which are arriving from the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new OLED and durability test? And if you want to keep yourself updated regarding the latest technology news on this channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.